Another question that Securiix gets asked is around encryption and the different types of algorithms that are being used. For example, symmetric versus asymmetric encryption. And what are the uses? What are the differences? What are they? Symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption are just simply two different types of methodologies to encrypt and decrypt data. What that means is a message and or data is in a plain text format and then is scrambled in some way through this encryption key so that it cannot be deciphered by anyone until it is unlocked by a key back to its clear text. They call this ciphertext. The ideas as to why you would use one type of algorithm over another is usually dependent on the goals that you have for your data. Symmetric algorithms utilize a single key, so a key that is used to both encrypt data and to decrypt data. Asymmetric algorithms are used to also do encryption and decryption, but they utilize two keys. There's what's called a public key that is used to encrypt the data, and then a private key that is used to decrypt that data. Again, these different systems can be used for different types of situations for your data. For data at rest, symmetric keys tend to be used. There are certain components or certain technologies like BitLocker, for example, which is used to encrypt your data on your Windows devices in your hard drives. For the asymmetric algorithms, they can be used for things like secure email. They can be used for data in transit for a system called TLS, which is Transport Layer Security. This is used to ensure that the communication is secured from end to end. You can also use asymmetric encryption to create something called a digital signature. Digital signatures simply mean a way to sign data so that it is shown and proven to be from the sender, from yourself in this case. Digital signatures are very helpful because they actually create something called non-repudiation. Which simply means that you cannot state you did not send or that data is not yours because you used a digital signature that is specific to yourself. It is important to understand when and why to use these different types of algorithms, either symmetric or asymmetric, what the technologies are and what they are used for. At Securiix, we can help you with this and to ensure that your encryption program utilizes the best-of-breed industry-best solutions for encryption for your environment, regardless of its size and regardless of your project scope.